Welcome, Fernanda, to the monster painting. Meet my friend Fernanda. She's a number 12 paintbrush, and she will be helping us in our endeavor today. We also have a couple sheets of paper here. We have one that says shapes and one that has lines. These are very helpful so that you don't get stuck. You don't want to be, oh, gee, I can't remember the 10th type of line, or I can't come up with another shape. So keep these around just to have a look-see. All right. So today we're going to make our crazy monster like we just had the read along for. And we're going to use some geometric shapes. Those are the shapes you learned in kindergarten that all have names. Rectangle, square, circle, star, all of those kinds. And then you have your organic shapes. Think of those that are things that grow outside. And those are leaves, apples, blobs, spilled milk, of course, grows as you're trying to wipe it off. It keeps moving along. Those are your different kinds of shapes. And then we have all of our different types of lines, okay? So you're going to use a combination of both of these things for your monster drawing. I'm getting smarter. I'm also putting something down under my paper for when I use Fernanda. We kind of need this because Mrs. Kunka accidentally got watercolor paint on her island and it got down in the grout and it stained it. So be careful, boys and girls. Go to a safe place. Whoever you live with, ask them where you can use paint, okay? I thought I could use paint at the island. Nope. Got to put something down and protect it. All right. So I'm starting today with a black colored pencil. I'm using colored pencil because we're using water-based paint. And with the water, you don't want to accidentally make all the markers bleed. There are times you want to do that on purpose. I don't think today's one of them. Okay. So I'm using this. You could also use a black crayon or a permanent marker. Although at home, I probably would not use a permanent marker just because they're permanent. Okay. Here we are. So monster, monster, monster. So I could start with geometric or organic shapes. I think I'm going to start with a pretty organic blob. Yeah, there's not really a name for it. So let's start. Well, you know, which way do I want to go? Do I want to go horizontal or do I want to go vertical? I'm seeing vertical. I'm seeing a big blobby monster with these big legs and then maybe geometric spines going down his back and big geometric teeth. Don't bother with any blood, but we can use some big teeth. All right, here we go. So big blob. Now I'm leaving about one hand at the top for his head. And I'm going to make a mark right there for his body. I'm going to make my hand open for his big body. And then I left 2 or 3 fingers down there at the bottom for some feet. So let's come up with some big blob. Oh yeah. Oh look. It looks like a bean. That kind of works out, doesn't it? So there we go. We have a big belly. We have a curved back. Let's give him some crazy big feet. Oh yeah, I love those big legs. Oh, doesn't he look silly? And let's give him an echo of another foot over here. There we are. Oh yeah. Looks like he's sitting down. We could leave him sitting down or, oh, we could make it into a horse too. Do you see it? I could add the big tail here. And then there's his goofy little legs. And then oh yeah, I could do all kinds of stuff. Maybe, yeah, I don't see anything there. No, I don't see that. Maybe you do. Oh, I could see a puppy too. I don't know. So, oh wait, where were we? We're going this way now. So we have his big belly. Love that. And then let's do a head here. And I'm thinking I'm just going to start with this kind of line for his head. All right, so there's his head. So I need some eyes, come down like this. And then I want a great big mouth. So let's come up this way and mouth and mouth and mouth. Oh no, it looks like a duck. Can I leave it like a duck? I can. Oh yeah. I think it's going to be a duck monster. Definitely a duck monster. All right. Well, then if he's a duck monster, he definitely needs some. He needs a little fur like that. And then, oh, I said we were going to do some triangles down his back. Let's give him some great big old tail. There. There it is. Almost looks like feather tails. And then, of course, we need to have those geometric triangles. Oh, yeah. It's a duck monster. See how I just fill that all in? And then give him a little baby one right there. Oh, yeah, I like that. Oh, I forgot his arms. Do I want his arms to bend or do I just want him to stick out? I think I'm going to have him bend. There, I like that. And then let's give him, well, I could have given him feathers had I been thinking, but maybe we'll give him a mitten. Oh, yeah. And then let's echo that over here with another mitten. Oh, look. Looks like he's going to clap. He's a happy monster. He's a happy monster. Oh, I definitely need an oval for the eye. Let's do another oval. Looks like the monster's in profile. That means we see him sideways. When we see him sideways, we see one eye and one part of the backside. If we were looking at it straight on, you would see two eyes and no backside. So we have his little tail there and one eye. Oh, should we give him a little tooth? Aw, I think that looks silly. He doesn't look like a very scary monster. Aw, look at that. Oh, let's give him a little tongue. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. He definitely looks like a little baby monster. Let's take a little more time on his eye. So I've used mostly organic shapes for our monster. Aw, look at that. I like that. I've used mostly organic shapes, and then I've come through and I used a zigzag line that really looks like it makes up some triangles. That I could make those into geometric type shapes. There we go. I like that. Oh, we need a little special belly too. Oh, let's extend this line to go down and around to that line. Oh, that's kind of cool how that all connects. And then, of course, I left that out. Oh, I forgot. I didn't erase this. I don't know that I can erase that. Well, I know. I'll give him different color gloves. We've got to think about that. So there's my little monster. I think he's cute and adorable. And then I have to come up with a color scheme for him.